Hello there. Today I am up on the roof of my RV, and if I can give any advice about RVs, that from what I've learned is that water runs downhill. And in the plumbing industry, that's one of the jokes that, you know, your drain, if it's running up on an angle like this, you know, your how do I put this? Bathroom deposits. Yeah, okay, we'll leave it at that. Bathroom deposits will not run down to the main drain in your home. Well, on an RV, that's also true as far as plumbing goes, but in reality, the biggest thing that you got to make sure that you maintain is the roof. And if water starts to penetrate your roof, then you're going to have huge issues inside your RV. And if you've ever watched any videos to do with people having to fix water damage, it is just a nightmare. It can always be done, but it is a nightmare. And unless you have a really good skill set to do it, you could end up having to pay somebody large sums of money to fix it. So that being said, here's what I'm doing to mine. So I've installed Eternabond repair tape on my roof. So as you can see, it's been installed around my skylight, my vent, and around my vent tubes. I also install it all the way around the perimeter where your rubber roof meets the sidewall of your RV. And I think that it's amazing because what that does is it completely seals from your roof over top of the metal side rail. So any water that flows over the side of the roof isn't going to be trying to go down into that crack and then down your sidewalls. And so I've installed it all the way around the RV. And one of the places is where the fiberglass meets the roof on the front of the motorhome. This is one of the worst spots for leakage on any trailer or motorhome, is that joint. So I've done the corners, as you can see, and I actually built them up a little bit so the water doesn't puddle. I've installed it around the vents, around the antenna, the fridge vent. So all the way around the exterior, all the different protrusions in the trailer. And I've installed this on many different RVs that I've owned with great success. I had a fifth wheel, and 5 years after I put the Eternabond tape on, it was still stuck down solid, and I had no leaks and no problems. Now the next thing that I am going to do, once I get some good weather where I have consecutive days of no rain, we've had a lot of rain in Ontario, I'm going to be applying some RV Flex Seal on the whole roof. So if you want to have a pretty good fight against preventing water damage in your RV, Eternabond tape is a great product. And I don't, this isn't a paid advertisement for Eternabond. I don't get any money for this or any free product. This is just something that I've done on all my different RVs with a lot of success in preventing problems with leakage. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and the notification button. I look forward to bringing you more videos to help you maintain your RV. Have a great day.